I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a stable surface and working materials. This prevents later lifting and cracking. Once you have a primed canvas and a few reliable brushes, thin your paint slightly so it levels without losing opacity. Make an underpainting to establish values and composition. Use broad strokes and reduced color to map forms. As you work, clean brush changes maintain color clarity, and keep a damp rag to control drying speed. This first pass saves time later. Now you build form and depth by layering. Thin layers dry fast and reduce cracking risk. Use mediums to adjust flow and sheen. Gloss intensifies color, matte mutes it, so mix intentionally. Once a layer is dry, add texture with impasto or a palette knife for tactile highlights. Blend edges while slightly wet for soft transitions, but make glazing passes with transparent mixes to enhance depth. Keep testing on scrap. It shows how colors shift when layered, and why finish by assessing surface uniformity and saturation. Make small corrective strokes to balance edges. Let the painting cure depending on thickness. Overnight for thin work, several days for heavy impasto, then apply a thin removable varnish to unify sheen. If paint stays tacky, don't varnish. Instead, thin top layers with medium or let it dry more. For cracks or blooms, gently sand and repaint the area. Troubleshooting tip: if varnish goes cloudy, remove it with the appropriate remover and redo after full drying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.